All right, so I got some new ingredients in the mail. I wanted to show you all, and I'm gonna do a taste test on them to see how good they are. I'm gonna tell you this right now, it's a tad gross. So if you don't like watching this type of thing, or you get disgusted really easily, I advise you not to watch this. I'm gonna show you what I got in the mail today that I'm gonna try to eat. First off, we have culinary grade black ants. And then we have this. Culinary grade Manchurian scorpions. And there they are right there. I haven't tried these yet, and I'm gonna try them on the video, and this is gonna be the first time I'm trying them, ever. So let's see what they taste like. We'll start off with the black ants. And I can't believe I'm doing this, but hey, it's worth a shot. I can't describe that taste. It almost tastes like lemony, limey almost. Very citrusy. I don't know why. That's very interesting. Let's try these Manchurian scorpions. Just, if I can get it open here. There we go. All right, just as a precaution, I'm going to remove the stinger. Manchurian scorpions. Interesting. See how they do. Tastes like almost salted shrimp. That's very interesting. Excuse me, these tastes, I can't describe. The black ants taste kind of like citrusy. The Manchurian scorpions taste kind of like very salted shrimp. That's the best way I can describe it. Anyway, I ordered these from a website that specializes in edible insects, so don't go eating wild edible insects. That's one thing that I learned. I didn't learn it the hard way, but that's what researchers told me. If you want to eat bugs, get them from a reputable source like I did. I hope you're not too grossed out. Have a good day.